Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm LTE Grey. Looking for a smartwatch that delivers high performance and durability? The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, priced at $44,775, is a powerhouse with a 100-hour battery, 3nm processor, and dual GPS. It's perfect for both fitness enthusiasts and professionals. Buy here, link in description. Subscribe to my channel. Key features: sapphire glass and titanium build. The premium sapphire glass and titanium frame make this watch not only stylish but incredibly durable. Advanced health monitoring. Track your heart health with BP and ECG monitoring, along with insights like energy score and age to help you stay at your best. Water resistance and durability. With 10 ATM and IP68 ratings, it's ready for underwater adventures and extreme conditions. Quick button siren. The quick button provides fast access to essential features, and the siren can be activated in emergencies for added safety. Up to 100 hours of battery life. Get long-lasting usage with the 100-hour battery, and with fast charging, you're ready to go in just 2 minutes. Verdict: the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra combines advanced health features, rugged durability, and fast performance. If you're after a smartwatch with a 2-minute quick charge to keep you powered up, this is an excellent choice. Buy it here, link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and updates.